Okay, welcome back, everyone. This is Amanda here with Emily. We wanted to just record kind of a short session on the latest tax bill that has been in the news. We want to stress that the latest tax bill may or may not become law, so it's a little bit pointless to spend too much time or energy trying to plan around some of the potential changes to the tax bill. We will discuss a few of them today, but please understand we recognize that this is most likely going to change. So, um, first up, we want to discuss the potential SALT cap changes. So, Emily, you want to get into that?
Yeah, so as of May 23rd, which is today, the date of the recording, the bill has passed the House and is making its way to the Senate. So there's been a lot of talk about increasing the salt cap from 10,000 to 40,000, which would affect a lot of our clients, specifically in New York and Chicago, where Amanda and I are respectively. And even if it doesn't end up being 40,000, it is likely that some version of it will be in this bill. What's the next one you got?
Yeah, so next up is the QBI deduction, where QBI is for qualified business income. So this is a very valuable deduction for our small business owner clients. This was scheduled to sunset by the end of the year, but it looks like they are going to be continuing that in the next version of the tax package. And they are going to be making some changes in terms of the phase outs and the businesses that qualify for it. So we'll be keeping our eye on that.
Yep. The next one that has been very much talked about is the no tax on tips and overtime. There is a version of that in the current bill, and they specify it's qualified tips. So you have to kind of look and see what they mean by that. And there's also an income limit. If you make over a certain amount, this deduction does not apply to you.
Yeah, yeah. Another big one is the child tax credit. I feel like this number has been changing a lot, especially during COVID, and then it went back down and back up. So I wouldn't put too much faith in this one, but right now it is $2,000 per child for the child tax credit, and the current version is increasing that temporarily to $2,500 per child. So we'll see if that one gets through or not.
Yep. The last one that I have is that it repeals most of the clean energy credits that we saw come through in the Inflation Reduction Act. So that refers to your home updates with solar, geothermal, things of that nature, and may also include EVs, the credit on electric vehicles, or installing those kinds of those
Oh,
plugs
the
you would need
plugs. Yeah.
for your EV in your home.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't know about you. I saw a lot of people take advantage of those credits while they're available.
Yeah,
So,
we get a lot in 2024
yeah.
for sure.
Yeah, that was good moves if you did it while you could. So,
Is that it?
um, yeah, so there's a lot more changes, potential changes, but those I think are the highlights and things we're keeping our eye on that could potentially impact our clients the most.
Yeah, we'll definitely be back with another overview once the bill does get through the Senate, letting you know what the actual amounts end up being.
Sounds good.